Mountains speak to me. They don't only speak to me, they talk to me. They talk to all of us. And they don't care what color you are, your religion, or what your political party is. They just want you to listen. Listening to what they have to say can be challenging even when they are so close. This is because we're all so caught up working our 9-to-5 job, binge watching the news show, or checking out our social media every few minutes. We all get stuck in these routines, letting life pass us by, losing day after day. This is when I try to remember and listen. These mountains are always there to break up the mundane of everyday life. We're all different though. Maybe for you it is the beach, out in the middle of the desert, or just having a drink with a good friend. Wherever it may be, remember to stop and listen.